Hi everybody, I'm Nathan Collins and welcome to 44 Helen Street right here in North Booval. We've got a fantastic duplex here, 3-bedroom either side. Now unfortunately the property was flood affected, so the owner has already started to do the repairs, but unfortunately a change in her circumstance has meant that she cannot continue. Her loss is somebody else's gain. Come and have a look to see what's been done and what else is left to do. So as you can see, a lot of the hard work has been done. Yes, there's a little bit more to go, but it allows you to do it your way. You can put in the type of finishings that you'd like. If you're an investor, you'll be reaping the rewards of a great rental return for years and years to come. Or even if you've got a big family, this would be perfect. So make sure you come to the open home and check it out.